Greetings, money seekers. Welcome to another enlightening video on the Money Mystery channel. Here, we delve into the enigmatic world of finance and share secrets to help you navigate your way to financial prosperity. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the future, exploring the ins and outs of making money online in 2024. We'll be revealing 10 real companies offering lucrative online opportunities available worldwide. So buckle up and prepare to uncover the mystery of online income. First off, we have Upwork, a globally recognized platform for freelancers. Upwork is a marketplace that connects professionals and businesses. It's like a virtual meeting ground where skilled freelancers from all around the world can offer their services. The jobs offered on Upwork are incredibly diverse, spanning from graphic design, content creation, programming, to consulting and much more. What's remarkable about Upwork is that it provides a secure and reliable payment system. Freelancers can rest easy, knowing that the platform has a system in place to ensure they get paid for the work they've completed. There are countless testimonials and proof of payment from freelancers who have successfully earned income on Upwork. So, whether you're a budding graphic designer, an expert coder, or a creative writer, there's a place for you on Upwork. It's not just a job portal, it's a community that empowers professionals to monetize their skills. Upwork, a proven platform to kickstart your freelance journey. Next on our list is Fiverr, a marketplace for creative services. Fiverr is a platform where you can sell your skills and services to a global audience. From graphic design to content writing, digital marketing to voiceover services, Fiverr is a hub of creative possibilities. It's a platform that embraces diversity, allowing freelancers to offer unique and tailored services. Fiverr operates on a simple concept. Freelancers or sellers create gigs that outline their services, with starting prices of just $5. Clients, or buyers, can browse these gigs and hire freelancers based on their needs. For proof of payment, there are countless testimonials online from freelancers who've built successful businesses on Fiverr. Some report earning a full-time income, while others enjoy the flexibility of part-time work. Fiverr also has a level system that rewards sellers for their hard work, providing greater visibility and more opportunities the higher they climb. Fiverr, where creativity meets opportunity. Now let's delve into Amazon Mechanical Turk, a crowdsourcing marketplace. Imagine a world where you get paid to complete simple tasks that computers find challenging, like identifying objects in a picture or transcribing audio recordings. That's the magic of Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform is a brainchild of Amazon, one of the world's leading e-commerce giants. It connects businesses and developers to an on-demand, scalable workforce, ready to perform tasks that require human intelligence. You could be categorizing products, validating data, or even taking surveys. The variety keeps things interesting. Proof of payment? Absolutely. Numerous online communities share their payment proofs regularly, and it's not uncommon to see individuals earning a few $100s in their spare time. The beauty is that you can work from anywhere, anytime, on tasks that match your skill set. And remember, each task may seem small, but they quickly add up. It's the perfect example of many a little makes a mickle. Amazon Mechanical Turk, where tasks turn into cash. Moving forward, we have Freelancer and Guru, two more platforms brimming with freelance opportunities. Freelancer is a global crowdsourcing marketplace, allowing potential employers to post jobs that freelancers can bid to complete. From programming and design to writing and marketing, there's a job for almost every skill set on Freelancer. On the other hand, Guru is a platform where professionals and businesses collaborate and work together flexibly. It's a great place for web developers, designers, writers, and sales experts, among others. The beauty of Guru lies in its workroom feature that lets you manage your work in one place. As for payment proof, many freelancers have shared their success stories online. For instance, a graphic designer from the Philippines shared how she earned over $20,000 on Freelancer, while a content writer from India revealed he made over $15,000 on Guru. Freelancer and Guru, your gateways to a world of freelance opportunities. Next up, we explore Toptal and Remote.co, platforms for top-tier professionals. Toptal is a network specifically designed for the cream of the crop in the fields of software development, design, and finance. This platform connects the top 3% of freelance professionals with clients in need of their high-end services. Just to give you a snapshot, some of the world's most innovative companies like Airbnb and Zendesk have tapped into Toptal's talent pool. Now, let's shift gears to Remote.co. This platform is a global board for remote jobs, offering a wide range of roles from virtual assistants to marketing gurus. Remote.co makes it possible for professionals to work from anywhere at any time, providing a flexible work-life balance. A testament to their credibility, they've been featured in reputable publications like Forbes and Fast Company. Both platforms have a track record of timely payments, ensuring you get paid for your hard work. Toptal and Remote.co, where talent meets opportunity. Unveiling Clickworker and Rev, two platforms that pay for micro-tasks and transcription services. Clickworker is a digital hub that offers micro-tasks, including data categorization, web research, and surveys. The beauty of Clickworker is its flexibility. You can pick and choose tasks according to your schedule and skill set. Payouts are made weekly, and there are countless testimonials from satisfied Clickworkers who've transformed their spare time into spare change. Switching to Rev, we find another lucrative opportunity. Rev specializes in transcription, captioning, and foreign subtitles. If you've got a keen ear and fast fingers, this platform could be your goldmine. With Rev, you're paid per audio minute, and the more you work, the more you earn. Successful Revers have shared their income proofs online, demonstrating that the platform is not just legitimate but also profitable. Clickworker and Rev, transforming your time into money. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have UserTesting, a platform that pays for usability testing. UserTesting connects businesses seeking feedback with users ready to provide it. And yes, they pay for your time and insights. It's a win-win situation, where businesses improve their user experience and you make money. The tasks are as simple as using a website or an app, and then providing feedback on your experience. You might be asked to navigate a new app, or to comment on a website's design. It's not rocket science, but your perspective can be invaluable to companies. Now let's talk about the proof. Users have posted screenshots of their earnings online, some making over $100 in just a couple of days. Remember, the payout depends on the number of tests you complete. And the best part, UserTesting is available worldwide. So there you have it, UserTesting, where your opinion earns you money. And there we have it, 10 reliable platforms to kickstart your online money-making journey in 2024. From Upwork's diverse job listings to UserTesting's unique feedback system, we've traversed a wide spectrum of opportunities. Remember, these platforms, be it Fiverr's gig-based system or Amazon Mechanical Turk's microtask approach, are all tools. They're your gateways to the digital economy, opening up a world of opportunities. But here's the thing, having the key doesn't guarantee success. It's about how you use these tools. It's about honing your skills, showcasing your abilities, and consistently delivering quality work. It's about being proactive, taking the initiative to seek and seize opportunities. The online world is a bustling marketplace, and standing out requires dedication and perseverance. Let's not forget, these platforms are accessible worldwide, making the online marketplace a truly global endeavor. You're not just competing locally, you're up against the world, so gear up, refine your skills, and embrace the journey. And that's the beauty of it, the journey. It's not just about the destination, the money. It's about growing, learning, and expanding your horizons. So what are you waiting for? The digital landscape is vast and the opportunities are endless. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Money Mystery for weekly videos. Until next time, keep unraveling the mysteries of making